Presto Fry Daddy electric deep fryer makes fabulous French fries, chicken, onion rings, donuts, and more. Frying is easy because the Fry Daddy maintains the perfect frying temperature automatically with no controls to set. It makes 4 servings of French fries using just 4 cups of oil because there's no messy basket to waste valuable space inside the fryer. Instead, the handy scoop stirs, separates, lifts, drains, and serves. The snap-on lid stores oil right in the fryer without spills or odor. And the non-stick coating, inside and out, simply wipes clean for crispy, crunchy, deep-fried foods, fast and easy. The Presto Fry Daddy Deep Fryer.